My name is Anjali and we have started learning about Google Docs. In our last video, we have already learned about what is Google Docs and why do we need it and what are the uses of these docs. So now we are going to learn about how to start this Google Doc or what is the process to log in into the docs and start creating a new document. So let's start. So the first what we have to do, we just have to go into our browser. Many people use different browsers. I use Firefox. So I have opened it on my screen, and if you use Chrome you can use it also. Now there are two methods by which we can open our Google Docs. The first method is very simple according to me, that in this search bar you just simply type Google Docs, and when you press enter it will take you to the websites on the search results, and here you can see the https docs.google.com. So when I click on this site, you can see here my doc is already opened. Okay, and here are so many templates and the blanks one. So what are these different things? We will discuss this in our next lectures. So another method which is to log in into this Google Doc is by using your drive. As you all of have should know that whatever we create in Google Docs, it directly gets stored into our Google Drive. So how to log in into these docs using Google Drive? So just simply I'm writing here Google Drive, and first I have to log into my Google Drive. Here you can see here is a login page. Okay, so when I have to choose my account, I have selected my account that I want to use this account, and that's it. Now here on this side you can see it's showing so many options, but we need docs. So I'm just gonna click on this Google Doc icon, and tada, our Google Doc is open. So these are the two methods by which we can open or sign in into our Google Docs. First one is just simply search on Google and you will get it, and another one is you have to log in into your drive, and then here is your Google Drive. Okay, there is one also method by which you can, or you what we can say, you can log in into your Google Drive is that, let's see, here is the drive icon and I have clicked it. Okay, now just assume that I have to create some Google Doc for my school, and I have to write essay on the cat. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna click on a new, first my drive, because that is another thing which I was working on. So here is my drive is open. Now I'll click on new, and first I will create a folder and I'll rename it as a project, whatever you wanna give name to it. Okay, so here is the project, and yeah, here you can see that folder is ready. Now I have to create that my doc in this folder. So what I'm gonna do, I will just click on this new, and here you can see different options: Google Docs, Google Sheets, Slides. So today we are learning about docs, so we will just click about this doc. Okay, on this arrow, when I click on this arrow, here you can see I have two options: blank document or from a template. So what is template? So here you can see there are so many docs which have already, in which something is already written. Okay, so these are the templates and we can edit whatever we want from here. But first we will learn about how to create a doc from blank page. So I click, I'll select blank document, and here it is my Google Doc page. Okay, so there are three processes to log in into your Google Doc, I have told you. And for me, the most simple method is that just visit your Google and search about Google Docs, and this will open. And if you want to move that, if you want to create your doc in particular folder, then this drive thing will definitely help you. Okay, so here you can see we have created our blank page. So this is a Google Docs blank page. Now here we will learn what are different its types. So here first there is a box. So it is a name box and we will rename it. Suppose we are going to create project on cat, right? We are writing essay on cat or dog or whatever. So you have to give your project name. So I'm gonna write about myself. So mine, okay, mine life story. So this will be the title of your Google Doc. Okay, name of your Google Doc. Then again another option, here you can see a lots of option: file menu, edit menu, view menu, insert menu, format menu, tools, and other things. So and today we are going to learn about this part. So here you can see so many symbols. So briefly I'll explain you what are these symbols. First you should know that here it is the name of your document. So give whatever you want to give, title or name of your document, you have to write over here in this box. Okay, now you let's first, this is a blank page. Okay, and over here is a ruler scale, so you can manage your page from here or there. Okay, now what I want to do, let's type something first. Let's assume I will type my name is Anjali. Okay, not from kuch kuch hota hai wali Anjali, it's just simple Anjali. Now you can see whatever I have written, I have typed is appearing here in this blank page. But it looks the letters are very small, so it's very difficult to capture anyone's eye. So just make it bold. What we need to do, just select the whole line and click on this B option. This B option means bold. So when you click on, you can see whatever you have written, it's changed into a bold. Now the size of the letters are very small, so I want to increase it. So here is the 11. You can see this option, or this is a font size. When I click on plus option, you can obviously see the size of the letters are increasing, and when I click, the letters are becoming small. Okay, so let's prefer 19. Now when I uh, this sentence, my name is Anjali, is looking very basic, so let's give it some other font styles. So what you have to do, you have to click, you can see here is Arial, that is a font option, and when you click on this triangle, you will get so many font options here. Just select whatever you want, and if you are selecting something with something like the one in front of with these arrows, so there you get some sub options. Like if I get Comforta, then you can get the option of if you want your letters in a light, semi bold, medium. So let's make it medium. So you can see my name is Anjali. That's the easiest way to change the font style. Okay, now if I don't want this font style, I want my already the either first one. So how do I go back to my previous one? Let's click on this button. Here you can see these two arrow. This is undo. It will erase the changes you have made, the last change. Okay, and then here is a redo. It will again do the what, it will again bring you back to from where you have did that undo. So these are the undo and redo option. Here you can see some signs. These are used for, these are the alignment options. So this sentence is on very left side, I want it in the center of the page. So let's click on this option, and here you can see that my this this sentence is shifted from left side to the center of the page. And if you want it on the right side, just click on a right align. Okay, that's it. This is the alignment option. Then if you want to underline this, you can just need to simply click on you, and while underline will come, and if you click one more time, underline is gone. Bold option I have already explained you. Then italic option, it gives some italic text to your name and all, or whatever word you have selected. Then here is, this is interesting option A, it gives color to the text. So I have written my name is Anjali, and I want to change the color of this text to the, let's see, blue. Tada! It's changed into a blue. And now I need its background to be changed, like white is very basic and I need something pinkish or anything else. Then here you can see this pen option. This is a highlighter. When you click on it, you will get so many color options, and let's select the yellow one. And that's it. This is a highlight option. Okay, I hope you have understood all these options very well. And there are some other options also here. Here you can see checklist option, bulleted list, checklist, these alignment options, and here are some indent option. So let's discuss all this one by one. Before discussing this, let's write some matter first in our document. Let's assume I'm writing my daily routine. Before that, let's make this highlight. Okay, so I'm going to write it as a in a way of list. So first I wake up at 7 a.m. Then have breakfast, study, walk, lunch, playtime, family time, dinner, and last one is sleep. So here you can see I have wrote down some things which are my daily routine, and as I am pressing the enter button right time, first the next number appears automatically, right? So this is happening because of here this bulleted list option. In this option, when you write something one by one, or you are giving something a paragraph heading and writing sub part in that paragraph, so or in that heading, then these bulleted list options give you so many symbols. So here you can see these are the normal circles you can use. Then here are some these types of symbols. You can also use checklist. This checklist option is for you if you are creating this work list and you want to tick that this is completed. So let's click here that I wake up at 7 a.m. I had breakfast, I studied, I worked, I had my lunch, then my playtime. So here you can see whenever I am ticking it right, that thing is getting erased. Actually technically it's not getting erased, but the line crossed it. It's because it is a task list which I have completed. So this checklist is completing it. Then you can use these options also. So yeah, what is this bulleted list? So basically in normal words we can say These bulleted lists provide you symbols, checklist options for your heading, for your paragraph styling, for your material, whatever you are writing in the form of list, in the form of paragraph. So this help you to give some particular symbols for that, and they also help you to like you can see after this dark circle there are two more circles. Here there is triangle. So let's see how this works. Blah blah blah. Okay. So, and now let's apply anything whatever you want. You can apply. Yeah. So everything will go like that. So yeah, that's how you can use this option particularly for your project and to make your dog more attractive. Then here are these alignment options. This alignment thing is very easy, as you know that if you want to move whatever you have written, whatever sentences you have written from this side to center, from center to right hand side, then how you can move it easily. These alignment options are for that thing. Let's select one line. Okay. Now I want to make this at the center. So here you can see left alignment, this one is center alignment, this one is right alignment, and this is justification. So let's click on the center alignment, and the sentence has moved automatically. Left alignment it shifted to the right alignment it shifted to the right side. Left alignment is shifted to the left side. So this alignment option is for shifting your word, your sentence, your images at a particular position or particular side you want it. Then here is another option is this line and paragraph spacing option. It is to increase the space between these two paragraphs or whatever you are writing. You can double it. So yeah, this is for styling your paragraph. Then here is a numbered list, as we have discussed that if you are writing in the numerical form then this one is for you. And at the last here is the intent option. This intent option actually related to this ruler scale. Let me show you. Let's assume I have selected this one, and when I click on increase intent you can see my ruler scale is moving at towards the right side, and when I click on decrease intent it's moving to the left side up to the 0. So this intent option is for you. If it is difficult for you to move from here, then let's just select the word you want to move and go up here. On these two items will help you to move your word at a particular side with a particular ruler option. So yeah, this is about all the features we have cleared completed in this video. In our upcoming videos, we are going to discuss some other options. We are going to create some documents. So stay tuned and keep watching. I hope my videos are helping you to learn something new. So until then, when we start another new video when I publish it. Until then, take care, keep learning. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.